Hello everyone and welcome to today's STEAM session, and it is a new topic this week and a new project, and we are going to be learning about the plastic and basically the damages it is doing to the planet and in particular the oceans. So that is our learning intention today, and some of the things we need to think about is what plastic is, why it's bad, and especially in oceans, and what can we do. So there's going to be a lot of new vocabulary in today's PowerPoint. So these are some of the words that we're going to be looking at. So the first one we've got there is air pollution, and this is chemicals or rubbish that have a poisonous or harmful effect to the air. The word decompose means to break down. A landfill site is a place for burying waste. Microbeads, microfibers, are tiny pieces of plastic. The word pollution means that chemicals or rubbish that have a poisonous or harmful effect, whether that be on the environment or animals, humans, things like that. And the word toxic means poisonous and harmful. First activity I would like you to do is to have a look around your house, or if you're in class, have a look around the classroom. What can you see that's made of plastic? And I want you to jot down or draw as many things as you can.